Good afternoon, everyone. I think you all know my name. This is Monica coming from Simply Science. So, it is a very nice to meet you again. And if you have any queries or any support you need, I'm here to help you. So, we'll start the session now. So, this is the interactive panel of 8128 internal storage. So, for this, the best feature is the notes part here. So, in traditional class, you will teach on the blackboards, but here there is a stylus option. So, you can set two different colors at a time and you can write on the board. So, here you just choose any one of the color, two different colors, and you can write question and answer in two different colors. So, actually in this is the pen option, right? All the colors. Here there is a thick pen and thin pen. Thin and thick pen. So, and these are the styles. So, just the pointer will be big, small, like you can choose that. And here there is a two different last. This is the text option. So, for example, if you write queens, it will be smart rated. It will be changed to smart rate like this. It will be changed, ma'am. Yes, smart rate option. Yeah. So here, sir. So this is the three different sizes of the pens. But here there is a two styles are available. So when you select this, you just write any one of the word here. It will be smart rated like this. Yes, this option is a smart rate. And the last one is the shapes options, manual shapes. We also have the ready-made shapes here available. Or if you want to manually do this. So here there is a shapes. Just draw any one of the shape that will be auto adjusted like this. Or else if you just drag and drop it here, there is a 2D and 3D shapes are readily available. You just select any one of the shape and drag it, that will be auto adjusted like this. And here there is a clean all option. You can just clean all the board at a time, or else you can use your palm to erase the board. So you have to make sure it should be on pen because it is in shapes option. So when you write on the board, it will be come only in the shapes only. So you have to just select this. Now erase your palm, like using your palm, you can erase the board also. Shapes, and here there is a insert option. So if you want to insert any images, videos, whatever thing on the board, you can just select the images. So whatever downloaded images are there, you can directly insert from here. And if you want to describe this image, again just select and you can write on the screen. And the and next option is the table. So if you want to insert any table, like you can just select rows and columns, how many you want, click on OK, that table will be directly inserted. It is an AI inbuilt table. If you want to insert one more row or column, just drag a line, that will be auto adjusted like this. You don't have to manually adjust it. And so if you want to manually do this, here there is a select option. Just click on select this third one and select it here. So here white bar will come. When you click on this, you will get the options like insert row above or below or delete it. So according to your preference, you can just do that. And this is the mathematical tools. So if you want to insert this mathematical tools on the board, because it is difficult to carry all these things to the classrooms. So you can just select any one of the tool and draw a line. So here automatically the measurement will also, you can see it from here. And if you want to extend it, you can, or rotate it up to 360 degrees, or you can just remove this scale also. And this is the HDMI. If you have inserted any OPS or HDMI pins to the board, so you can see it from here. And this is the conceptual map. So for example, if you are teaching any classifications or different types of topic on the classroom, so you can just simply write whatever thing you are teaching, and it will also be auto adjusted. You don't have to manually adjust the box according to the size of the font. It will be auto adjusted. Again, you want to insert more, just click on select. You can add how many boxes you want, you can just add it here. And this is the document. So for example, if you shared any documents to the panel and if you want to open in between the class while teaching the notes, so you can just open any one of the document and you can scroll and you can show it to the students in the classroom. And this is a previous class. So for example, my class is done. I saved this topic for tomorrow's. So I just want to open my previous class today. So from here you can just open whatever you have taught on yesterday or like day before yesterday. You want to recollect that class, you can just open it from here. So this is the previous recording. I think maybe me or one of you have saved this. So you can open any one of the class or any document like this. And this is the browser. So you are teaching something on the board. You want to give an example from the browser. So you can directly open the browser from here. I'll look into it. So if you write something on the board and you want to search this particular word into the Google, you can just select the option, select it. Here you will get a search option here. So just click on this. And next, here there is a whole kit. So for example, in between class, you want to give a small test to the students. You can simply type any question here. Options. Next step. So you can choose either single or multiple choice questions and start voting. So if the students is having the mobile phones in the classroom, they can scan this and they can vote using their mobile phones. So you can see here how many whether they are agreeing with the question or not. So you can choose their answer from here. And this is the timer. So if you want to set any timer, because you are having only 45 minutes to complete the class, so you can set the timer here. So once it is done, then you will get a notification in the classroom. And this is the quick pass. So if you are having any PDFs, documents in your mobile phone, you want to share those documents into the panel using this scanner, you can just share it with the board. So anyone you wants to try it once, ma'am? Google, and there is a lens option in the Google or Google or Chrome, any browser. You will get one link. Yes, tap on it, ma'am. You can share any one of the image, text, or if you want. You have shared, ma'am. Yes. So like this, you can share directly images, text, whatever documents you have in your mobile phone using this scanner. You can share. And if you want to save this image, you can save. So there is a save option, or you want to insert this image in the notes part. That also you can do. Yes, ma'am. So you can insert on the page. Into the notes part also. If you want to save into the file manager, you can directly save in the documents, or else if you want to insert in the notes also, you can insert from there. So here there is a camera option. So for example, you are standing here, you are teaching on the board. So you want to know whether the students are listening the class or not. So you can use this camera at this point of time. So you just know whether the students are listening or not in the classroom. And this is the grid lines, especially for younger classes for handwriting purpose. So you can just write any. So like this, you can also teach in the classroom, and it will also be smart, right, and also be adjusted. And this is the templates of background. So any sports week is going on. So you want to set any football, basketball, any one of the court at the background of this notes part. You can just select it. So that will be come as the background. So here the sports like sir or ma'am can easily explain the rules and regulations in the classroom also. And this is the sticky notes. So for example, you are teaching in the classroom and some students may ask doubts, or you want to say that there is a homework or like bring textbooks tomorrow. You don't want to interrupt the class in between. You can just simply type any one of the word homework, and you can insert in the, so you can just insert wherever you want. And this is the preview option. So for example, I have written all the content on my board. So this board is already filled. This page is already filled. So I don't want to go to the next page. From this page only, I just want to continue my topic. So especially for maths teachers, so they want all the step 1, step 2, all the process at one page only. So here there is a preview option. So what you can do is you can just minimize the screen and you can put it aside. And again you can start writing here. Step 2, step 3. And if you want to again maximize the screen, and again just click on preview and maximize it. And here there is some basic tools like menu option. So here if you want to save the topic, you can directly save it from here, save, and I prefer you as a save as option. So once you have created any folder in the like in the panel, so if you select any PDF image format that you want, so you can just select and click on save. That will be automatically saved in your subject folders. If once you have created your subject folders in the like particular folder, and there is a scan option. So if you want to share these notes to the students or other teachers, so here there is a scan option. Click on scan. So whatever I have written on the board, thought on the board, that you can directly share it with the other members. So settings, there is a background settings. So if you want to change the background of this notes part, you can set different colors. And grid lines, or whether you want to go with a blank page also, you can set it here. So grid lines for English or any language teacher is using the classroom, so they can set the background as a grid lines or blank page. So here this is the notes part, right ma'am? So if, for example, if you want to use browser at the other side, so at starting only, so here in this, so just hold on it ma'am, free window. At starting only you have to select the apps whichever you want in both screens. So here settings again, background settings, rules. Okay. Yeah, and here there is a pages ma'am. So if you want to add more pages, so this is the one page. So if you want to add more pages, you can add it from here and delete it also. And here there is a split option. So this screen will be divided into partitions. So when you click on this, you will get 2, 3, 4 partitions. So this is especially for any types you are teaching, different concepts, or you want to create a small test in the classroom for 3 students. Like this, you can just select team 1, different colors, team 2 and team 3. So all the 3 students can write at a time. So this is the notes part ma'am. Till now any queries, and here there is a shift option. So if you are standing here and you want that options this side, you can just click on shift, it will be adjusted. So I'll do one thing ma'am, from my side I'll just make a document for all of these things. So whether which option is useful for which thing. So I'll just share it with you. I think it's better, yes. So this is the welcome pages. Any meetings are coming on, you want to set any, prepare any presentation or teach parents teacher meeting. So you can select any template and you can edit this PPT. You can add text, music, images, whatever thing you want on the PPT. And there is a Ergo Cast. So if you want to cast your mobile phone, so in our mobile phones we are having this screen share option. So in this, like, you can cast your mobile phone, laptop, whichever device you want to cast. So using this scanner, you can download the Ergo Cast app in your mobile phone and you can like share the screen connected to the same Wi-Fi. Then only it will. And one more thing is that in the Play Store, you have to turn off the Play Protect option while downloading. So once it was downloaded, then you can turn it on. These two things. Then it will be downloaded. I think it's on mobile phone. So it's already downloaded in our mobile, in my mobile phone. So it's already came, Queen's Global School panel. So enter your pin code 934315. Connect. So like this. Ma'am, this is how you can share the screen. Oh. Yes, ma'am. Simply Science. So this is the app, Simply Science. So yeah. in mobile phone or in the panel, in the laptop you want. In the laptop you don't have to download the SimplySense app. Like using the browser you can directly open, ma'am. Same like I have explained it before, ma'am. Same like it. So like this. So the interface is little different here. So in browse you will get browse subjects option, like to you want to open the content part. But in the app you will get this learn option. So here you will can see all the subjects. That is a simple interface differences there, but everything is same. So YouTube, any videos you want to open. So for example, ma'am, in Google page I am teaching, or any YouTube video I am showing to the students. And if I want to write something on the board also in between the class, for example, if you have open any your related topic, so you want to explain some brief about this particular thing, so you can mark the screen. Or showing any video in the classroom, you can just select the mark option, and now the board will get freezed and you can write on the screen. So this is the part. Like this you can wherever you want. In the Google page also you have opened some topic and you can write over that page also, web page. If you want to save it, so after you have written something on the board, so you want to save this image overall, so here you can share it with others, and there is a save option here. In the YouTube one, like if you want to show it in the YouTube, ma'am, so like split screen option is a better, so you can use notes part at one part and another part is the videos. So in the notes part you can't take the videos, ma'am. So if you have shared or downloaded any videos, so from there you can insert. So I'll show you. So in this, ma'am, if you have downloaded any videos or anything, so here in the insert option, you will get this option. If you select this option, then if you have downloaded any images, documents or videos, that will come here. So you can select it and you can insert into the note. Yes, yes, yes. Option called slides. I think PPT. So you just type Simply Science in the Google. You can open the Google, or if you want to download the application Simply Science app in your mobile phone or in the panel also, that will also be useful. Or if you want to go directly with the browser, type Simply Science login. This is the first link, ma'am. Just click on this. So the page will come like this, ma'am. Now login. So first I'll show you the management login, ma'am. So this is the management login. I'll show you. So this is for management reference. So in the home page, you will get to know that how many teachers are there in the school, how many students, and how many sections are there in your school. This is the Queen's management login, and here classes. So if you want to add more classes, ma'am, so we have already added all the teachers, students, classes in this. So if you want to add, maybe sometimes it will change, or if you want to add one more student also, so you can do that. I'll show you that. You can add class here, add new class, choose class. So any LKG, UKG also if you want to add, you can just select it, and there is a section name. You can give A, B, C. Some may follow 1, 2, 3. Like based upon your preference, you can give the section name also. And just click on save. Now the class will be added like this. And coming to the teacher, so once the class is added, then only you can assign the teacher or the student for that particular class. So once the class is added, here you can add, click on new teacher. If you want to add teacher for this class, give name, mobile number, email. So user ID. So and if you want to edit it, ma'am, like you want to change, like ma'am is teaching K3 and K4, you want to assign it to 10th, 9th also, just click on edit. So your name, mobile number, any one of is sufficient, ma'am. Either mobile number or email is sufficient. Not need both of it. So user ID you can, and password. Password is common for all the teachers. So password. So now here you can select K3 section, and if it is a class teacher you can select that also. So and again K4 section, which subject ma'am is teaching. You can select English, either Maths, which subject it is. All same like K4 A, again A, Maths, Social ma'am is teaching. Like this you can assign the classes for this particular teacher. So once you have last, click on save, that will be saved in this. Or like for example, you want to assign one more class for this Usha teacher. So K8 A section. Now I want to assign biology for this teacher. It's already assigned for another teacher. That's why it's showing. You can just click on add and update. So it will be updated. You can, ma'am, but it will just remind you, just for a reminder purpose, it is already assigned to other teacher. Yeah, you just click on add, that will be added. So like this, you can update your profile also. So this is teachers. Coming to the students. So again, same like teacher, you can give the student details also. So if 1, 2 students are there, again class and student and the parent details. Just click on save, that student will be added to this particular class. So there is a bulk students, like all the students from class 1 to 10th. So there is a format. I have already shared with you, ma'am, with Sabita ma'am. So in that format, you can just upload all the students at a time. So here you can just simply select class. So for next academic year, you want to change this. So you can select class, section, and here sample file is also there. So if you want to see the sample, like how we can upload the file, here there is a sample file. Just click on upload file. So if any file is there in the panel, then click on upload. Then all the students will be uploaded for class 6. At one click, you can upload all the students. And this is the messages option. So channel, direct message and notification. Channel in the sense it's like a WhatsApp group. So what we communicate in the WhatsApp group. So you can just create a channel of class 6 students or class 7 students. So with the management, you just click on new. So student teacher, two-way, whether you want two-way or one-way. Two-way in the sense, like in both ways you can communicate. Like one way in the sense, management can send the message, teacher can only see that. They can't reply to the message. That is a one way. So you can just select in which way you want. Select the class you want to create, channel I'm creating, WhatsApp group. So you can select all the students for the class. Here I have selected class 7. So you will get all the class 7 students here. So here you can give the title of class 7. Same like WhatsApp. So create channel. Now the channel will be created in the portal. So once they have logged in, students or parents are logged in, then they can see it here. If you have sent any notification or any message, then they can see it over their mobile phone. And direct message is like, if this is the management, teacher also we have these things. So management wants to send. So which class, ma'am? 7th class. Section. Teacher name Ramya ma'am. So selected ma'am. So now the message is sent. So this is about the management, how the management can operate all these teachers, classes, each and everything, ma'am. Now I'll open the teacher login, ma'am's login. So this is the ma'am login. So now, so ma'am, here you will get messages, direct message. So here you will get to know whether the student has sent parent or school. So here, like this, you will receive a notification from the management side. Yeah. Any notification, any lesson plan, if they have assigned, you will get the notification here, ma'am, in the student. I mean, in the teacher. If management sent to the student, then they will get a notification like this. So coming to this, ma'am, content part. So ma'am is assigned for physics, chemistry and biology. So in the physics, so these are the chapters and topics. So in some chapters we are having this visual aids, ma'am. So in some chapters still we are uploading, we haven't uploaded yet. So simulations for this chemistry, ma'am, you will get the simulations, videos, PPTs. But in some chapters, you won't get this type of videos and PPTs because we are still adding that. So that is the reason. So I think you will get to know all these simulations like a practical lab. So you can just make it as experience in the classrooms. And this is the videos. So you can play the videos also in the classroom. So all this type of videos you will get in some chapters, ma'am. So now the video is going on. Again, you can use the mark option and you can write on this.
When did they attack? What?
In browse subject, ma'am, in videos you have and the PPTs also. Ma'am, you're asking about this slides thing. So this is not in the videos format, ma'am. This is a step-by-step process in the PPT. So these are the clickable PPTs actually. So when you click on the PPT, then only the next line. Yes, you have to tap on the screen. Why we made the PPTs in the sense like maybe while explaining in the classroom, all the students will focusing on the images part or reminding part. So that's why we made it like step by step. In between, you can also ask the question to the student like what is a like something definition or something you can ask in the classroom. So once they have given the answer, you can just show it to the students. These are the clickable PPTs, ma'am. Actually, this is the save option, ma'am. Save. So this is the save option. So if you want to save this and tomorrow also you want to continue from this topic also, so you can just click on save. In view my profile, if you click on view my profile, you will get an option called bookmarks. So when you select that bookmarks, you will get all your saved topics there. So at last, once you have done with all the explanation, there is a spot test. So you want to know whether the students has understood the class or not. You can just simply create a test in the classroom. You can ask any random 5 students to stand in the classroom and you can ask this question to the students. So this is for just for class purpose. So you have taught the class and you want to create a small test in the classroom immediately. This is for immediate test. So once you click on, you will get the report also. So you want to conduct it exam kind of thing. So this is in browse subjects, you will get all the content, ma'am, all the subjects. But in the home, there is a create test option. So just click on create test. So you can select the class, in which class you want to create, section and subject. So whether you want to go with auto or manual, like automatically the questions will be selected. Manual in the sense you can also select your questions. There is a online and offline. Online they can attend the exam. Like you can create the question paper here. They will get a notification in their login. Such a ma'am has created this test. I have to attend it. So like this you can go with online and offline also. So both they will get a notification in their login. And one more thing is the basic difference. Online you only get the objective questions, but in offline you will get both objective and subjective questions. So for example, online levels also you can choose easy, medium and hard. And here also you can select. You can go with our Simply Science questions or else you can use your own questions. So in view my profile, again there is an option called add my questions. So you can add your questions by copy pasting or you can type on the panel and it will show in this test creation option. So you can go with your questions while creating the test. So now I'm going with Simply Science questions. So give the test name. And date. So for example, tomorrow I'm like maybe some other reason I don't want to come to the school tomorrow. So I want to create the test for tomorrow for the students. I don't want to be my students should be idle in the classroom. So here you can just start the date. So 4th. Time if you want you can select it or non-mandatory and end date. So 5th. So this is the time I have given and the duration is just 10 minutes. So once I have started the exam, the duration will be 10 minutes only. After that the test will be ended. This is for online. Online or offline also will be the same, ma'am. Offline also you can both online and offline you can take the printout, or if you want to generate directly also they will get a notification. According to your preference you can use it, ma'am. So you can select the chapter. So 2 questions I want and 3 questions. you want to add one more chapter from this subject, you can add and click on show question paper. Now here the question paper will be ready for you. If you want to see the answer also, you will get the solution there. And at last, click on preview question paper with your school name. Now the question paper is ready. So show question paper. Now we are adding one more thing is that, so whether you want to take the printout with the solutions or without the solutions. Now you only get only the questions in the while taking the printout, not with the solutions. So now we are adding the option called according to your preference. You want to take with the solutions or without solutions. We are adding that now. So this is the question paper and there is a 3 sets. So 3 rows are there in the classroom to avoid cheating in the class. So the questions are same but it will come in jumble format. So you can set 3 different sets and take the printout. If you want, you can distribute those question papers in the classroom or else click on generate test. Notification will be sent to this class. Ma'am has given this test, so I have to attend on 4th. Printer access there, it's already there. If you have connected the printer to the panel, then you can directly take the printout. Yes, for the social, ma'am. So now you will get all the text format, and here you will get all the visual aids also. For the simulations, ma'am. So you asked about the maps. So here there is a latitudes and longitudes is also there. So you want to explain this concept in the classroom. So you can select the simulations. Ma'am, you can just come here. I'll just guide you on this. Primary. Yes.
Now I want to show this.
Yes. So it was already highlighted here. And if you want to,
I want to write this.
you want to write it here, ma'am. So here there is a mark option. Is there? So select. Now it is creased. Right. Yes. Like this, you can write on the screen and you can easily explain about this latitude, longitude. Yes. And yeah, and if you want to go to the cities.
So we can
Yes.
explain this is the right
Yeah.
angle ingress, this is the format of the grid. or
Yes, yes, ma'am. So Greenwich. So it was highlighted here. There is a Greenwich
So primarily which runs through the Royal
Observatory.
Greenwich,
Yeah,
and
this is
from
observatory.
0 degrees.
Yes,
This is the right angle. This is the prime meridian.
yes,
This format is called the grid. In this grid, we can find the place of the city. It is right angle, 90 degrees. Through this grid, we can find the places of the cities on the globe. This is the equator, which divides the globe into two parts. It starts from the 0 degrees. Above the equator is the Tropic of Cancer, and below the equator is the Tropic of Capricorn. All parallels are equal length, except the poles. Tropic of Capricorn, another hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The endpoints of the poles, North Pole and the South Pole, we call it as points.
So same like videos, PPTs is also related to the topic, ma'am. So this is the content and test creation is also done. So in this, ma'am, we also have the assign goal option. So if you want to give the homework to the students, same like test creation, you can select the class section here. For example, class 6 and section I have selected. So now you can choose, there is a types there. So learn in the sense, if the students want to go like read the particular topic once at a time, you can go with learn option. Prepare in the sense, so once they have prepared and they want to take the test on that particular topic, you can go with prepare option. Subjective goal, like subjective type of questions you want to give, you can go with subjective questions. So you can choose whether whichever you want and subject, because this teacher is only assigned for social, that's why it's social. And you can same like give the name and test name, start date and end date. You can give like create tomorrow or day after tomorrow whenever you want. And now you can select the chapter to give the homework. So I just want to give the homework on this locating places on that. You can choose the topics and click on assign. Now the homework will be assigned to the student. So they will get a notification. Acha, ma'am has given this learn and prepare option. So I have to like prepare this particular concept and I have to take the test on it. So you can give to the whole class, or else if you want to give only for the particular students. So maybe in class there is some dull students are there. You want to focus on those students only. You can go with individual student. Here you can select the class section and you can choose the names. So which student you want to create. So select it, give the options here. You can create the goals. So this is the homework. So there is a syllabus tracker, ma'am. So what you can do is, so now this is the school and this is the teacher login. Here there is a self. So if you want to upload your content, we use PPTs and all to the content here. You can select. This is the class 6 social. So in oceans and continents, I want to add something to it. So you can give your objective, any reference links, YouTube or any web links you are there. So you can just upload here and attach image, PDFs, whatever you want. So for example, I texted hi. And you want to share it with teachers or the students. Your references you have added here. So that documents, the student can also be, if you want to, the students can also be accessible for that. So you can share it with students and other teachers also. And tomorrow you are going to absent. You want to share it with another social teacher. She is taking in the class tomorrow. So you can share it with that teacher also. Click on save. That will be added. I'll show you where it will show. So now I have added. And there is a assign now option is also there. Assign option in the sense, so for example, if you want to assign yourself, like today is 31st, from tomorrow onwards, tomorrow Saturday to Tuesday, within 4 days I want to complete this topic. So you can, oceans and continents I have selected, so assign. So it will be assigned now. So where it will show since in the home page. So in the calendar part, so this is October, next November. It will be highlighted like this. If management has given the lesson plan, then you can select school tracker. This is the teacher login, means self. So it will highlight like this. So you will get to know, I have assigned the plan that from 1 to 4, I have to complete this. So the topic is also at below, oceans and continents, like this. And coming to that, browse subjects, so social, oceans and continents, introduction. So this is the lesson plan icon. You will get it over here beside our visual aids. So you can use our visual aids and also your references also. You have once you have attached here. So I have given high text, or if you have sent any images, documents, that you can show it to the students. Yes, you can show it from here, ma'am. This is your reference. Lesson plan is for, and this is for our. So both you can use. And this is the explore option. This is beyond the textbook. So based on the scientific proven topics, there is 100+ themes are available here. So any topic you can choose it from here. For example, larger show any topic. So this is related to the light concept. So you can give an for social, ma'am. Social also is there. So it is related to all the latest trending topics, ma'am. You can choose whether it is related to the social. You can just give an example. Yes. So like here you can select it, you can give an example before starting that class and you can direct to the main concept. So the students will also easily engage. So coming to the MySpace, in the management, sir like he has created the timetable, you can see it over here. So sir has created the timetable Tuesday, Usha ma'am or Sabita ma'am, whoever it is for the third period, ma'am will be highlighted here. Once the management has created the timetable, so every teacher can see the period here. So till now we haven't created anything yet. So if sir or any ma'am has added that, so you will see here according to the class wise. Dashboard is like, so you have created the test. This is the overall reports. So you want to see the overall class performance report. So just click on class performance, select the class. So till now we haven't created any test yet. So once you have created the test, it will come over here, ma'am. So if it is offline, you can assign the marks to the students. If it is online, automatically, according to the question, it marks will be automatically assigned for the online test. So overall class performance you will get here. Either whether only you want to focus on individual student or overall class, all the individual and class performance students you can see. So in the dashboard, so student wise and class performance. And this is the goals like homework, student wise and class wise. Like this you will get over here. And now you want to know, you want to track the students, like whether the students are logging into the platform daily or not, whether they are using the content or not. Here there is a student tracker. So here all the student names, you can select the class, which class you want to see, which subject, social subject, October month this year or previous year. So according to that you can just see it here. So student name, last login date and how many logins. So this month October we have 31 days. So in 31 days how many days they have logged in, it will come here, and how many goals, homework they have taken and how many tests they have attempted, and based upon that they will get an average score here. Yes. Like this you can track the students. Any doubts ma'am till now? So in the profile ma'am, so when it will show this option ma'am, just enter the password again, because this is for one panel, we only access for one login. So like security purpose we have given like that, you can use multiple logins, not a problem. So in view my profile, there is a add my questions option. So here while creating the test, you can add your own questions. So your name, same details you can fill. So class, subject, chapter, topic, you want to add the questions. So you can just copy, paste or type. So here, and if it is an objective questions, you can also give the options and click on save. Then in this particular chapter under the topic, it will be saved. And bookmark, like once you have saved, you want to recollect that previous session. So all the bookmarks will come over here if you saved any topic before. So once you have added, you can view your own questions, and this is the history. Last view topic, you will get it here. Last I have opened friction, force of friction. So this is the teacher login. Same like this ma'am, student login will also be the same, but they will get the notifications. Everything will like in their login ma'am. So here there is a create test option. This is for teachers, but in students they will get take test. So self test they can take it. So yeah, they can just create their own test. This is the basic difference between these two. Except this, everything is same. Like chapters, videos, they'll also get. So here test. If you have created any tests, ma'am, here you can see. So what are the online tests now going on and offline tests here. And goals. Like homework you have created, that also you can see. Any doubts. If students send any doubt, they'll also have this option doubt. So for this particular social teacher, they have some doubt while they are reading some particular topic at their homes and they want to ask you, they can just simply type like, yeah, they can send a message to you. So in doubts option, you will get it here, which student has sent and on which topic. So the teacher can reply to that. And there is a messages option. You can communicate also. And here you can see the overall class performance based upon the last 5 tests. This is the thing ma'am, and if you want to edit your profile personally, so you can edit it also. If you want to change the password also, you can change it. Password we already given the common password, so if you want to change the password, you can change it. So and here you will get to know how many tests you have assigned and how many goals you have assigned. And management login also, the management can see that like teacher has given any tests or not, whether students has attempted or not. All these things management can see. Other teachers can't see. This is personalized teacher wise. So you can just go through the student parent login. They'll only get creators. They won't get ma'am because parent can't create the test. Assign goal also they won't. But they'll get some. They can see the reports. Students are attending the test or not, like this. And if class teacher. Yes. So here in the class, this is the class teacher. Only class teacher will get this option. Only the first bar, section wise tracker. This timetable will get all the teachers, but only class teacher will get this bar. So what they can do is they can see how many teachers are assigned for this class, who are using this or not, and total students, and mark attendance option, because class teacher only take the attendance. So click on mark attendance, which class you want to take the attendance and date. So here Dhananjay, for example, if the student is absent, so it will highlight ma'am. So maybe because we haven't started it using, so maybe that's why. So here you can just select it. You will get an option, absent option also here, absent and present option. If the student is absent, you can just select the absent option. Now the reminder will be highlighted if the student is absent. So what you can do is you can just click on reminder. This particular student parent will get a notification that your student is absent today. Like this, they will get a notification also. So you just start using the platform, ma'am. So if you have any queries, we have already created the WhatsApp group. You can just post in that, ma'am. Yes. And this is your logins, particular teacher logins. This is the schools and Simply Science attendance.